Create custom buttons and links. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to create custom buttons and links, add them to a page layout, explain the difference between a custom button and a custom link. Custom buttons and links. Every org has a unique set of business needs. If your users frequently need to access other pages in or outside of your org, you can add custom buttons and links directly to object and record detail pages. Custom buttons and links help you integrate Salesforce data with external URLs, applications, your company's intranet, or other back-end office systems. When your users have all the information they need on hand, they can be even more productive with Salesforce. What can custom buttons and links do? Custom links can link to an external URL such as google.com, a Visualforce page, or your company's intranet. Custom buttons can connect users to external applications such as web pages and launch custom links. You can choose to display window properties that determine how the target of a link or button is displayed to your users. Custom links can include Salesforce fields such as token within the URL. For example, you can include an account name in the URL that searches Yahoo. For example, search.yahoo.com, and then the account name there, it's kind of a placeholder that will insert the account name. Note, if you want the button or link to launch a custom page or other code, consider a Visualforce page. If you don't know how to use Visualforce pages yet, don't worry, we don't address them here, but you can learn about them in a different module. In a Lightning experience, custom buttons and links live on your page layouts and appear in different areas of a Lightning page. There are three primary types of custom buttons and links that you can create. A list button appears on a related list on an object record page, so that would be here. Detail page appears in the link section of the record details, would be here somewhere. Detail page button appears in the action menu in the highlights panel of a records page. So that might be here, I don't know. Anyway, we will explore all three of these options. Create a custom list button. You have read what they can do, now find out more how to create one. For each type, you must define the action that occurs when a user clicks it. First, the custom list button. Custom list button is a button that you can add to a related list. When you create a list button for an object, you can add that button to that object's related list when the related list appears on other objects. Because energy objects are tied to accounts with a lookup relationship field, and an energy accounts related list automatically appears on account records. For example, earlier in the module, you entered audit information for GenePoint 5-year review. When you view the GenePoint account, then click on Related tabs and scroll at the end of the record page, you see an energy audit related list displaying that audit. Let's have a look. GenePoint 5-year review. Under related, no, I don't really see that, but anyway. Maria wants to add a custom button to that energy audits related list to let users navigate directly to the user Solar Energy Audit Guidelines PDF. She has already uploaded the PDF as a file, but she needs its URL in order to have the custom button point to it. From the app launcher, find and select Sales App. Click the Files tab. Here Maria can see the guidelines PDF she uploaded. Let's have a look if it's there or not. I don't see it. Share it with me maybe. Recent Nope. Libraries. Nope. Upload a file of your own to follow along with. Okay, maybe they have some file link here somewhere. No, they don't. Just a second. Okay, so I found a random file that I uploaded. And I'm supposed to share it. Who can access public link? And now I have created a public link that anyone can see. So it turns out I was looking at the wrong page. It's a bit tricky to find. You need to go to the account. And at the bottom, where's the energy audits? Under related, you go there. And there you can see the audit guidelines button. So it's fairly hidden, but it's there. I didn't do anything wrong. Let's continue. Create a custom detail page link. Maria on our user mailer solar admin wants to build on the energy audit custom page layout she created for the sales team. She wants to add a custom link that points to the energy cost data from the US Energy Administration. This will help the sales rep determine what the customer is paying against the US national average. Let's get started. From setup, click Object Manager, then click Energy Audit. Where do we have it? Sorry about that. Energy Audit. Buttons, links, and actions. A new button or link. And we are going to name this US Average Energy Costs. Make sure that detail page link is selected for the display type. Yep. And now we are supposed to enter the URL there, which is given here. Save and OK. Warning again, it's only shown if we enable it. Now we go to the page layouts. Energy audit sales layout. Custom links. US average energy and so on, and we can put that here. Let's put it here. Now let's do quick save and have a look in the energy audit. Supposed to be under details. And there we have it. Split these sections here. Actually, hide that, remove that, let's see if it disappears. And now we have it just like here. See if the link works. Yes, it does. Okay, create a custom detail page button. Maria wants to add a custom button to account pages that show the account's location on Google Maps. From setup, click Object Manager, then click Account. And then we click on button links and actions, new button or link. We name the button map location. And now we have a URL for Google Maps with a complicated formula. Account billing city. The %20, it's a space in HTML in between, I think, not entirely sure. This account, this URL uses merge fields and pass the field information from the account record that the button is clicked from into the URL. Good to have an explanation on these. Which we don't have, but I think if you really want to know like how to use this properly, you can find the information somewhere as well. So let's make this quick save. Go to page layout, account layout. And there we should have the button, but I don't see it. For some reason it's not there. Let's go back and figure out what the issue is. Data page button. That was the mistake. So let's go back to account layout. Buttons. And now we have the map location button. And where are we supposed to put that? Into the custom buttons area. Standard buttons, custom button. Right. Quick save. And now let's go to the account, green point. Let's see if we can find it there. Yep, map location. Let's see if this actually works. So their location is supposed to be in nowhere, no address. But anyway, the button is working. That's the main thing. Now here's some warning. It's not really relevant for us because it's showing for us. And now we're getting to the hands-on challenge. Add a custom button to a contact. User Solar wants to be able to look at their contact's internet footprints. Create a custom button to see, so users can do this right from a contact record. Create a custom button for the contact object. Label Google Info. Label Google Info. We're supposed to use this URL. The contact name is the placeholder for the current contact's name. It's supposed to be a button, not a link, so choose detail page button. Quick save. Page layout. Contact layout. And the button Google Info is here. And now we need to put this here. And quick save. No, let's go to contact, home, buyer is the only contact I think we have here. If you don't have any contacts, just create one using contacts, new contact. Let's see the button, Google Info. Is that working? Yes, it's working. Okay, check the challenge to earn 500 points. Should be all good to go. There we go, 500 more points, and the last unit is ahead.